Robosen, the robot company for Robosen. So today I'm going to unbox this Transformers Optimus Prime Robosen Robotics. And next, let's unbox this big box. So okay, I'll use my knife to unbox it. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Finally. Wow. So inside the big box, another box is here. Wow. Wait. Not so easy to get it out of the box. Okay. So, empty, nothing left. Put it here. And okay, this is today's leading actor. Okay. Limited edition Robosen, the robot company, the Optimus Prime. Okay, first let's take the box from the soft plastic bag. Okay, the tape. Okay. Tape. Whoa. Oh. Exciting, a bit exciting about it, right? Just like you get a very special gift from your loved person, right? And finally, okay, it's not so easy. But finally, okay, it's here. Okay, so this is the Robosen robot company, Optimus Prime Robotics. And here are some features about this device. Ultra-authentic design, assemblability, mobility, flexibility, combination, stability. Next. Oh, let's see how can I open it. Okay, here. Okay, from here. Whoa. Oh. Yes, this is the front side of the box. Okay. This is the foam, soft foam box to protect it. The Transformer iconic logo, the Transformer words, Robosen company name, limited edition. Wow. Sudah ada air kita dulu. Okay. Wow. So here is Robert. Okay. I'll show it later. We go to the Robert. Okay. Wow. So many. Okay. I think they're the weapons of the Optimus Prime. And this what is this? This is the finger, palm, is the we weapons. I will show you details here. So these are this box. You find it now. The world, sword, knife, axis Y, XY. Another I don't know what it is. It's the movie edition Optimus Prime. So this comes up here like this. Here is okay, it's a gun. It's a gun. Okay. Finally, this is Robert. Okay. Robert. Wow. Okay. So this will connect to the app. We control the robot through the app. Okay. First, put it here. Okay. Maybe put this stand. Okay. I will lay it here. And okay, then another floor. Okay. Yes. Oh, this is the basement. Oh, this is the basement. Yeah. Like this. So, okay, take a close look at this. This is the Optimus Prime, Robosen Robotics. So this is a smart robot. It will connect to the application and you can control it. So I will show it later, but now we just have a simple unboxing video and show you what is this. Okay, put here and the bottom, the 3 floor. And it's the first, second, third. Here's the user menu. And okay, so I think this is a charger inside. Okay. Here. Oh, yes, I'm right. It's the charger. Type C to Type C charger is the specification about the charger. Type C to Type C. Okay, put it back. Cable. Type C to Type C cable. Okay, more. This is the cable charger. Optimus Prime. Let's get started. This is I think this is a user menu, quick start, accessories, instructions, safety menu, quick start, guide, and also the warranty card. 4 papers. But this one is just a white paper, and this 3 are deep customized user menu because we can find the Optimus Prime are printed in the front first page of the paper of the book. Yeah, and different style, fighting mode, different mode. Yes, so we will learn how to use and how to control this robot from the user menus. Exciting, very exciting to learn it and control it. Okay, so this is the user menu, warranty card. box. Okay, and first, this is the big one. Okay, this is the second floor. And I think this is the base of the. Okay. 直接帮我开下面这个 base of the base of the robotics. Okay. Whoa. I don't know now. I don't know how to control it. Yes. Okay. So later I will show you how to control it and how to use it. I think this one. For a moment. This one is here. Yes. And okay, this. Oh, yeah. Yes. Well, if we don't use it, and if we in a static status, we put the robot on the basement of this. Yes. So this is all the stuff inside the box. This big box. Yes. Okay. So yes, everything's here. Very tight to open it. Next, I'm going to show you how to use this and how it connects to the software application and control it, and all stuff inside the books that I already show you. And actually, to be frank, I'm also a little frustrated on how to use it, confused on how to use it. But I've learned from books, user manuals, expected the details, videos about how to use this smart Optimus Prime, Robosen, Robotics. So thanks for my very simple and quick unbox video about this. Okay, about this Robosen Optimus Prime robot. Thanks. Let's stay tuned. We leave for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.
Let the Decepticons win the war.
Watch out! It's Megatron! Whoa! Thanks for the heads up.
It's time to finish this. But I still have enough to conquer you, Megatron.